Hi there! If you're looking for an easy way to boost your energy and bust your stress, this video is for you. My name is Smita Dhelia, and in this video I'll share how with a little intention you can include walking in your everyday, which helps improve energy, reduce stress, and boosts your overall mood and well-being. And the best part, there is no special equipment or gym membership required. All you need is a willingness to move and the right pair of footwear. Walking is so wonderful and powerful due to its simplicity and its many health benefits. I remember I started walking intentionally when I was on the other side of 40. I knew I wanted to get active and fit, but I didn't know where to start. If you're new to walking, maybe you want to start by walking 10 minutes a day. And at this point, don't even worry about the speed or the distance. Just focus on getting comfortable with the movement. As the initial goal becomes a part of your routine, maybe increase it by a little bit and play with the speed. Maybe add some steps backwards and add some steps sideways. When we walk backwards or sideways, it works out different muscle groups. It's also beneficial for our cognitive skills and balance. And I think it also makes the walk a little more fun. If you can get yourself outdoors, that's amazing. The fresh air, the sunlight, the greenery if you have some. It is the perfect stress buster and it just uplifts your mood so quickly. Walking outdoors is lovely, but walking indoors is always accessible and has a lot of benefits, including helping you get active and get in the habit of walking and building from there. So I strongly encourage you to start walking, whether it's indoors, outdoors, or a mix of both. As you can tell, I love walking and it's my favorite physical activity. I would love it if you shared yours in the comment section. I feel when we are trying to incorporate a new habit, it helps if we pair it up with something which we already do. So maybe you walk for 5-10 minutes before you sit down to watch your favorite TV show. Walking for 5 minutes when you're dropping your kids to the bus stop. Or tie it into something you already do so that it's easier for you to remember and adapt to the habit of walking. It does help to set a goal or challenge, even if it's only for 3 to 5 days a week, because I do believe that makes us more intentional about what we are trying to do. A tip, and I learned this the hard way. Always wear good supportive footwear, whether you're walking outside or indoors. It goes a long way in preventing injuries. The key to long-term success is consistency. So start small, grow steady, and crush your goals. In this video here, I talk about 5 proven tips to start getting active and stay motivated. And in this video here, I talk about the importance of small steps to making big changes. I hope to see you there. Thanks. Bye.